Hi, Paul Drinkon with Prosperity Coaching Associates for the July newsletter. And a year ago, by the way, happy 4th of July. I got my little flag here. Last year on the 4th of July and for the July newsletter, I really avoided doing financial topics. And if you recall, I sent everyone a copy of the Declaration of Independence. And I got to thinking this year again, I'm going to do something very similar. I'm going to send along a copy of the Gettysburg Address. You might know or not know that July this year is the 150th anniversary of the Battle of Gettysburg, one of the most biggest turning points in the history of our country during the Civil War. I want to share with you a few facts, and also you will find at the end of the newsletter that the Declaration of Independence, not the Declaration of Independence, but the Gettysburg Address, the text of what Abraham Lincoln actually spoke that day is there. Few facts about the Gettysburg battle. 160,000 soldiers were involved. Over 8,900 men died. There were 46,000 casualties, and over 3,000 horses were killed. Truly sobering statistics for one to absorb and think about. A truly incredible battle. But probably what's remembered more than anything about the Gettysburg battle is the words that Abraham Lincoln spoke almost 4 months later when they dedicated the cemetery there. So that's what this newsletter is all about this month. Just a time and some words to reflect on what happened on that battlefield over 150 years ago and part of the heritage and history of our great nation. Also have some quotes from Abraham Lincoln, and you will see again at the end of the newsletter, the hard copy, you will see the text of the Gettysburg Address by Abraham Lincoln. One last thing, the Gettysburg Address initially was supposed to be given by Edward Everett, and he did speak before Lincoln and went on for over 2 hours. Just a couple words from that speech are also there for you to look at, but the true memory was from Abraham Lincoln's 243 words in the Gettysburg Address. As always, I thank you for your time and trust, and have a great July. Till next time, this is Paul Drinkon. Goodbye.